how to disable Truecaller pop-up after call. So all you have to do is just click your Truecaller or navigate your Truecaller. Just click that. Once you are in here, just set as not now for now. So you can see three dots. You could click that and go to settings. And after that, you should go to calls. After you go to calls, you must make sure that these are all off. And as you scroll down on the bottom, you can see this call alert notifications, and you must turn it off. Once you did that, you can try if it notifies, but that is one way of disabling the Truecaller's notification.